This is a question on para summary. So it starts with, as a branch of logic, deontic logic is of a theoretical interest for some of the same reasons that model logic, okay, is of theoretical interest. Okay. So initially it would have given you like this thing ki ye kya aa gaya, deontic logic aa gaya, okay, and this is aa gaya. So basically you can say that as a branch of logic, okay, deontic logic is of a theoretical interest for some of the same reasons that model logic is of theoretical interest, right? So it says that deontic logic, now for those who are not aware of what is deontic logic, is that so it's mainly you can say a study of you can say a kind of obligation, okay, permission lena किसी से या prohibition किसी चीज की, okay. So basically they says that deontic logic has a theoretical value and that is similar to the model logic. So deontic logic का जो theoretical value है वो model logic का जो है वो almost same है. Also, although we need to be cautious about making too easy a link between deontic logic and practically, many of the notions are typically employed in attempting to regulate or coordinate our lives. Okay, so they say that also, although we need to be cautious about making too easy a link between deontic logic and practicality, many of the notions are typically employed in attempting to regulate and coordinate our lives. Okay, so they say that maybe we are too quick to jump to this, okay, that they both are kind of there is a link between deontic logic, okay, but then he says that in reality many concepts from deontic logic are actually used to regulate and coordinate our lives. कि deontic logic का जो logic है that is used to kind of regulate and coordinate our lives. For these reasons, deontic logic often directly involves topics of considerable practical significance such as morality, law, science and business organizations, and security systems. Okay, so they say that deontic logic actually deals with more practical domains. Okay, so it is used to regulate and coordinate our lives. Why it is does that? Because it has more practical significance. Okay, it includes more topic which has more practical aspect like morality, law, organizational laws, and security. Okay, now to that extent, studying the logic of notions with such practical significance add practical significance to deontic logic itself, right? So basically they say that because it studies the logic of norms, okay, so ye jo deontic logic hai, okay, so it's to that extent studying the logic of notions, okay, with such practical significance add practical significance to the deontic logic itself, because it studies the logic of norms in these domains, okay, so deontic logic itself becomes practically significant. Okay, so that's the case here. Thoda bahut, I mean, like understanding of the deontic logic would have helped you with this particular question, but let's see the options of it, right? So agar basically agar मेरे को core idea देना होगा, so we can say that the author starts by explaining कि theoretically wise deontic logic and model logic is almost same. Okay, then they say that kind of जो deontic का जो logic है, okay, so that is appears in real world normative systems में आता है, okay, and इसका ज़्यादा practical significance है because ये morality, law, social and business में आता है, security systems में आता है, okay, and at last he says that this connection adds practical significance to what otherwise seems purely theoretical. Okay, so that's the case कि practical significance होता है, that's the case ना. Let's see the options now. Now deontic logic, okay, so right, just a second, I think so my voice is breaking, is it fine with everyone? I'm assuming that it's working fine, right? Okay, now the option number one says that because deontic logic serves as conceptual bridge between the abstract model reasoning and the practical regulation of human conduct and institutional frameworks by systematically examining notions of obligations, permission, and authority that underpin societal coordination. Okay, Now, the problem here is with the phrase that it acts as a conceptual bridge between abstract model reasoning and practical regulation of human conduct. Okay, ये कहाँ पे कहा था? Okay, the passage only compares the deontic logic to model logic in terms of theoretical interest. Okay, लेकिन ये नहीं आया ना. Okay, and that की deontic logic kind of conceptual bridge between abstract model reasoning and practical regulation. Okay, and again it says that deontic logic serve as this model reasoning. Okay, so model logic और उनमें difference है. Okay, I mean like deontic logic is not the difference basically. Okay, we can say that it compares deontic logic की दोनों same है. Okay, same to the extent as far as they are sharing the theoretical interest. Okay, it does not say that deontic logic links model reasoning to practical regulation. Okay, so that's not the case. Okay, so that's the way. And again it says the words like obligation, okay, and coordination. So ye kab tha? I mean like obligation, coordination. Okay, by systematically examining notions of, right? So that's again the I mean, like, it includes the relevant terms. This sorry, okay, obligation and coordination to tha iske andar. Okay, but again ये नहीं है ना कि it kinds of systematically examining notions of this and this. But again problem है इसके अंदर. This is definitely not an answer. Now, while deontic logic, like model logic, is of theoretical interest, it stands apart by acquiring practical significance through its formalization of normative principles, those that govern moral conduct and legal systems. Okay, now again the case is that this option somewhat you can say that it talks about deontic logic. Okay, like model logic is of theoretical interest, it stands apart. Okay, so it stands apart. I mean like the passage does not contrast them. Okay, contrast की बात नहीं आई थी. उन्होंने बोला था that some of the same reasons, okay, वो similar है kind of. Okay, they because they both have theoretical interest. Okay, while deontic has practical significance, but again it stands apart is not something कि उनमें दोनों में से ये stand apart करता है. By acquiring a practical significance through its formalizations of normal principles, that those that govern moral conduct and legal systems. Okay, so again just this is just focusing on morality and the legal aspect. Okay, but the passage also mentions social, business organizations and security, so it's narrowed in that aspect also. Now, although rooted in abstract reasoning, deontic logic gains theoretical traction when its principles are extended to tangible domains, highlighting its relevance to the normative structures that shape collective human life. Okay, now it says that deontic logic gains theoretical traction from tangible domains. Okay, but the passage points out that it gains practical significance. उसने ये नहीं बोला कि उसको theoretical traction मिलता है. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि इसको क्या मिलता है? It has practical significance. Okay, talks about the practical significance, not theoretical traction. Okay, and extended to, we can say that extended to tangible domains. Okay, so what is this tangible domains? Okay, I mean like the author says ना law है, morality है, social है, तो उनको आप tangible domains में करके उसको complicated क्यों कर रहे हैं? Okay, D is indeed the correct answer. Okay, so it says that because its concepts influence how societies organize rules and norms. Okay, and deontic logic, while rooted in theoretical inquiry, gains practical significance through its engagement with real world normative system. Okay, so this accurately captures the aspect of it. Okay, so it kind of it starts with that कि deontic logic क्या है, theoretical grounded है. Okay, rooted in theoretical inquiry है, so is of a theoretical interest. Okay, so this is going along with it. Okay, then again it tells us कि इसका practical significance क्यों है, because okay, practical significance क्यों है, so to that extent studying the logic of notions. Okay, so adds practical significance to the deontic logic itself. Okay, and again देखो ना यहाँ पे है, so the this case, okay, gains practical significance. Okay, through its engagement with real normative system. Okay, so it precisely reflects the author's point that studying such concept, okay, gives logic to the real world importance. Okay, so यहाँ पे था ना, although must we be conscious about it for these reasons involves this. Okay, so that's the case. That is the reason that is I mean, D is the better answer. Okay. So that is right. It does not overstate or simplify the aspect. Okay. But again, slightly, I mean, like, thoda bahut close calls the options के अंदर. So in case if you are able to figure out that particular idea.